If you've been looking for a great bento box that's also very classy looking, look no further and get yourself this one. Alright, so I have the bento box all packed right here. I have some sauce in here, along with my veggies, and I have some rice and my protein of boiled eggs. So this is a super simple and easy way to pack your lunch and to keep yourself healthy and from eating out. I love how classy this looks as well. If you've been looking for a super classy bento box, look no further and get yourself this one today.